If water gets inside the breaker box during cleaning, stop immediately and treat it as a hazardous situation. First, cut power at the main service disconnect if you can do so safely without touching wet surfaces. Then keep everyone away from the area until the box is dry. If water entry was only from minor splashes and you can reach the breaker hatch dry, close the hatch and wipe the exterior and visible interior seams with a dry cloth. Then allow at least 24 hours of air drying while keeping the area ventilated. For any visible pooling, corrosion, or if breakers trip repeatedly, do not reset them. Instead, call a licensed electrician to inspect, test, and replace any compromised components because moisture can leave conductive residues and cause hidden faults. Use a moisture meter, or the electrician will use one to confirm absence of residual dampness before power is restored. As a preventive practice, always position spray nozzles away from the panel. Use a low pressure setting and shield the panel with a temporary cover such as a clean plastic sheet when wet cleaning nearby. Finally, document the event with photos and notes for your maintenance records so you can track any recurring issues and discuss them with the electrician. Common mistakes include assuming a quick dry with a towel is sufficient when moisture may be trapped behind breakers, so have a professional confirm dryness and integrity. Another error is resetting tripped breakers immediately, which can damage equipment or mask a persistent fault. Instead, wait for testing and clearance. People also forget to cut power safely before touching the panel, so always de-energize using the main disconnect if possible and use insulated tools only when instructed by a professional. We operate bighomeprojects.com and we help homeowners connect with local contractors and post project details to get responses. Our site also provides a discussion community where we share practical tips so both homeowners and contractors can learn from each other.